What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Ash Goddess, and I am back with another banger video. I've been away for a bit, but that's specifically because my editing software was not editing no videos, so I had to work on that. And then after I was done, I came back and I have a new video for you guys. Something awesome, something cool, something that you guys probably never seen before, because you know, your girl, we're authentic. So if you are new to my channel, make sure you guys click the like button, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys check out my other videos if you have not. Check out my most recent videos. Make sure you guys leave a comment, leave a like, and subscribe to the channel, because it does help and it does motivate me to post other videos. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Take a look. New background. Who that? Who's this? Like, I did a new background for you guys. I'm in a different space as well, because I want it to be more free, and I'm gonna be doing hair videos as well as like installs and tutorials. So I felt like I needed a much freer space to work in. Yeah, so the next video that's gonna come up after this video is gonna be a wig install tutorial. So I'm in a space where it's much freer for me to move around, and also it's a bigger space where my tripod and stuff could fit, as well as the wig stand and the wig. So let me just show you guys the items that I'm going to be using for today's video. We are going to be doing our lashes. We're going to be doing strip lash, but we're not going to use the singles. We're going to use some wispy lashes. I'm gonna show you exactly how we're gonna do that. As you can see, these lashes are on a rubber band, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I mean by that. So the next item that I have is this core wipes. So I'm gonna use it to cleanse my face, take away all the grease and everything from the area before I start working. So that's the second thing. We have our bottle of glue. This is the glue that I use when I'm doing my lashes. I do not use lash glue. I sweat a lot. That's number one. So using regular lash glue, as soon as I put it on, it's gonna fall off, or application process will not happen because it won't go on my eyes because it's not gonna stick. So this right here dries super fast. It's a good adhesive. It could be used for anything else. It could be used for doing a sew-in, or if you're gonna make a wig or stuff like that you don't want to sew in. When I make my wigs, I do not glue them, I sew my wigs. So yeah, that's the third item. So the next two items, we're gonna need a scissor. So I have my scissor here. Normally I have the smaller scissor that you use to cut your lace, the one that looks like the doctor scissor, but I don't have that right now. I can't find it, so I'm using this, and we're gonna use a tweezer to help us with the application. Then we have a little lip gloss, because you know, after your lashes is done and you're looking like a baddie and you're ready to go, you just put a little lip gloss on and a little mascara. That's that, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. Okay guys, so right here what I'm doing is I'm cutting the lashes into single pieces. This way it would be easier for me to apply them. Okay guys, right here I'm finished cutting one side of lash into sections, and I'm just going to do that with the rest of lashes, and when I'm done I'll come back. Okay guys, so we're basically finished and we're preparing ourselves for application. What I'm basically going to do is I'm going to put each line of lash on my lash line, and I'm going to keep doing that and filling it in until everything is all together. So I'm going to dip it in some glue, and then I'm going to take my time and I'm going to put it below my eye. Below, not above, specifically because that's going to make it look uniform and it's going to look like it's my real lashes. Putting it above, the glue is going to get everywhere and it would destroy the point of doing strip lashes without using regular strips and using normal lashes. I'm gonna also go ahead and I'm gonna clean my face with the pore wipes that I showed you guys earlier, and we'll get straight into it after that. Alright y'all, so right here we're just doing what I told you guys I was gonna do. We're applying the lashes to the underneath of our lash line, and I'm just gonna do this throughout, and I'm gonna do it on both sides. So like I said, I'm gonna speed up the process, and then you guys will be able to see the end result and the middle result. So we're almost finished with one side, and we're just gonna fill it in some more because we don't want it to be too thin. Alright guys, so this process is very beginner friendly. As a little disclaimer, please be careful with the glue because you are putting these lashes and the glue below your lash line. Your eye is one of the most sensitive organs on your body, so you have to be careful with the glue so that it doesn't go into your eye. Okay guys, this strategy that I'm giving to you is just to prevent inflammation in the eye and irritation, as well as like water and residue. So just be careful guys, don't put it close to your lash line, just to make sure you can prevent these things. Okay guys, so right here I'm finished with one section of my eye, and I'm just cleaning up the outer area, making sure that there's no glue inside of the corners of my eye to prevent irritation. So make sure you guys do that. Even though I didn't put the lashes too close to my lash line, I still had irritation. So just be careful guys, and make sure you pay attention to what you're doing, and you know, be cautious and don't be scared. Okay guys, so right here we started on our left eye and everything is going well. We're just going to continue to do the same process that we did with the right eye, and as well as being cautious and careful when we're applying each strips of lashes to our eye. Okay guys, so we're just filling in the remaining part of the lashes, and we're closing up all the gaps both on eye number 1 and eye number 2. So just make sure you do that. Okay guys, so I am done. This is the finishing look. I've done both eyes. I ended up using 3 pair, which is six lashes, so 3 on one eye and 3 on the other, just because that made it more full, being that these were very thin. That's the whole point of me trying something new with them and just doing like strip lashes, like how you see they go to the lash tech and do it. However, I have never done this before. This is my very first time doing this. I've never done it at a lash tech, and I've never done it on myself before. But look at it. It looks really good. It looked like I professionally got it done. Like, oh my goodness. Looks like I got it done professionally. I am so good. Lash tech, hair tech, nail tech, everything. Like, talk to me nice, because I'm really that girl. I remember when I said to you guys when I just started out my channel officially, I told you guys that I'm multi-talented, but y'all don't believe me. So I hope this give you guys a reason to subscribe, because y'all realize that I could do a lot of things and you guys could learn from me. Like, for example, if you want to do your hair in a certain style and you want a beginner friendly video tutorial how to do it, just check out Ash Goddess's channel. You feel me? Because my video might be the video that helps you to do whatever it is that you want to do for the very first time. But I really love how these came out. I love how natural they look. My blinky blinks look really natural, and I did them all by myself. I did not go to a lash tech, because I am my own lash tech, because I'm multi-talented. You feel me? Let me just say that instead of putting it above your lash line, you want to put it below, like underneath, right? You don't want to put it above, you want to put it underneath, down the bottom. That way, you know, it will look more uniform and it would look better, and it would look like your real lashes, because that's the purpose of doing it like that. I will say that it will irritate your eye, specifically because you're putting it below and you're using glue. So, you know, you're gonna have a little bit of irritation, so just be careful with that. Be careful with the type of glue that you're using, and be sure to not let any glue go in your eye whatsoever. For me, no glue went in my eye, but applying it like to my eye got irritated. I would do this again. Yeah, and I think I'll keep them in for a week. I'm so proud of myself. For the first time, I did really good. Like, watching this video, people wouldn't know that this was my first time doing this. It looked really good. This is it from the side, like the side profile, the front profile, the other side. Like, there's no flaw. It's the end of this video. I really hope you guys liked it. I put in a lot of work to make sure you guys get this video. I will be back on my consistency as it revolves to uploading. Like I said in the beginning part of the video, the reason I didn't upload like a week ago or 2 weeks ago was just because I was having some issues with my editing software. So I finally got the issue resolved, and now I'm back and able to post videos. The next thing is, please make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. This video gave you a reason to subscribe. I hope this gave you a reason to, you know, keep in touch with me and connect with me. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, because that's where I post all the updates about my videos, about what's coming next, about gifts, about whatever it is that has to do with my channel. So make sure you go and follow that. Thank you for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for joining. Thanks for viewing. Make sure you guys comment, because like I said, commenting really helps a lot. It really motivates me to keep posting videos. So go ahead and comment. Like, don't be scared to comment. I don't bite. I will like your comment. I will comment, you know, underneath your comment. I will reply. I don't bite. Like, I really don't bite. I'm a really nice person. If you get to know me, I'm not gonna leave y'all comment. I'm gonna always reply to the comments, and I'm gonna always like them, and I'll pin the really nice ones. So just, you know, this is the opportunity to jump ahead and just comment underneath the video. Not just like and subscribe it and share it, but just comment as well. Comment, like, share, subscribe to my beautiful channel, because it's good over here. Okay, all right guys, that's it. It's your girl Ash Goddess, and I'm checking out. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.